Fundamental principle of addition. If there are two jobs which can be performed independently in m and n ways, quite simple, then either of the two jobs can be performed in m plus n ways. So it can be explained like this, that we have job A which can be completed in m ways, job B which can be completed in n ways, and we have to complete either of the jobs, A or B. Okay, in the fundamental principle of addition, we have to do what we have to do. We have to complete either of the job, A or B. But in multiplication, as you have seen, we have to complete both the jobs, A as well as B. First the job A has to be done, then the job B has to be done. This has to be completed. Okay. So the total number of ways would be equal to, that is the total number of ways of completing the job A or B would be equal to the sum, that is equal to m plus n ways. Okay. Okay, now consider an example that a boy went to a cafe. He has a choice of 4 snacks and 3 drinks. So he can make an independent selection of snacks in 4 ways and drinks in 3 ways. But he has to make a choice in such a way that he has to select a snack or a drink. So whenever a condition is this, that he has to do an either of the job, then we apply the fundamental principle of addition, and in this case the fundamental principle of addition is applicable. Therefore the total number of ways in which he can order a snack or a drink will be equal to 3 plus 4 or 4 plus 3, that will be equal to 7 ways. So there are 7 ways he could order a snack or a drink. Okay. Again, the fundamental principle of addition for more than 2 jobs. So again, if we consider that if we have job A, job B, job C, and so on, a large number of jobs are there. Job A can be completed in M1 way, job B can be completed in M2 way, C can be completed in M3 way, and so on. Then the total number of ways of completing this job A or B or C and so on would be equal to the sum, that is M1 plus M2 plus M3 and so on. In this manner, the fundamental principle of addition is applicable. Okay. What is the difference between both the principles? Okay. So the difference between both the principles, that is the fundamental principle of multiplication and addition, is this, that in this case both or all jobs are to be completed. All jobs are to be completed. So whenever you come across a condition that both or all the jobs are to be completed, then surely the fundamental principle of multiplication is applicable there. And in this case, any one of the job would be completed. Meaning to say that surely you can say that all the jobs are not to be done. Only one of the job would be done. If you can conclude that, then this means that the fundamental principle of addition is applicable. And in this, the connecting word is and. The main word is and. Meaning to say that when you are going to consider the jobs, you are going to find that this word and, first job is to be done and the second job is to be done. Meaning to say that this word and would, without this using this word and, you cannot complete the condition. And whenever you will have to apply the fundamental principle of addition, the main word that would be used would be equal to or. You have to do this job or that job. For example, in the example what we did, in the first case we have to select a snack, okay, and a drink. That is why we multiplied and applied the fundamental principle of multiplication. And in second case, we selected a snack or a drink. Okay, and that is why we applied the fundamental principle of addition in that case. So, this is how we can differentiate between them.